don't be alarmed. This is a quick rush commercial or a break. So what happened when I was editing the video for the room tour, Royalton room tour, I realized there is no audio. So I could have done a voiceover, but I'm saying to myself, I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm just going to do an intro so you guys can see what the video is about, and then I'll play some music throughout the video and you guys enjoy the room tour. Some of the highlights that I want to highlight for you guys, since there won't be any narration, is in the middle of the room there is a tub, a jacuzzi tub. It's very unique, and it's a bit unique to the hotel, meaning you may not see it in apartments, because I guess you'll be inviting over persons when you live in an apartment, but I guess for an hotel it works out quite fine. So you guys can let me know what you think in terms of the room being opened up with the bathroom. Yes, the shower enclosure is different. Yes, they have curtains you can draw to separate the bathtub, but let me know what you guys think about that. I'll also highlight where the TV is. You can order food from the TV as well. You can order room service from the TV as well. And I'll go on the balcony. I'll show you guys around the property, and I'll also highlight some of the rooms that have a swim out pool. So you have a little own private swim out pool. I guess I had the option to take one of those, but I wanted the view. But let me know what you guys think about that swim out pool, and if you're visiting Royalton Blue Waters, if you would probably book a swim out pool, or one of the rooms with views. So let me know what you think, guys. Share your thoughts, share your comments. Remember to like the video, and remember to definitely share as well. Last but not least as well, guys, remember to jump on over to our new Instagram page, Raymore Reviews-JA. Remember to follow so you guys can see some content there as well. So let's jump straight into that room tour.
Wow.